She could beat me, but she cannot beat my outfit.
Tell me about yourself.
I am Gerlis Gomez from San Luis Agusan del Sur. I graduated at Northeastern Mindanao State University, Lianga Campus, with a degree of Bachelor of Science, Business Administration, major in Business Economics.
Why should I hire you?
You should hire me because I bring a unique combination of skills, experience, and passion that aligns perfectly with your needs.
What is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength is my ability to problem solve and think critically.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I envision myself growing within the company, taking on increased responsibilities and contributing to its success. I'd like to have progress to a role where I can leverage my skills and experience to drive innovation, lead projects, and mentor others.
What should I do if I notice a coworker taking credit for my work?
Address the issue directly with your coworker or supervisor, providing evidence of your contributions. If uncomfortable, consider speaking with HR.